Hey guys, it's Mike again with the 61 VW. Today what I'm doing is I'm replacing my door handles. So, I have these door handles that came on this 61 door. And the thing that's, there's no locks. And I think there might be some kind of locking mechanism, but there's still no locks, on the driver's side door. And the thing about this is, okay, so I don't normally keep anything valuable in the car, but in order for me to run the vintage license plate, I have to keep the main license plate in the car, which means, right now I have it under the seat, but it could go in the hood, in the front. But then this is not lockable. So basically, somebody could just, steal my license plate or steal anything that's in this car. So I want it to be lockable. And if you look at the damage on this, I don't mind it if it has some of that. But, kind of like this one here, that's a solid piece of metal, and I kind of like that. This here, no lock, and I am going to replace those. So what's interesting is that my key, these are the new ones that I got. I guess these are probably aftermarket. They work really nicely. And they have these keys being like a double-sided, seems like a kind of a more modern key. So obviously that key is not the same as the ignition. So that's an issue, but I'm just gonna run it with two keys. And if I need to lock it, then I just use that key. So let me get these door handles on there, and let's just see how they look and if they fit. So you gotta pull. All right, I got this on. I had to use a hair dryer on the seal, and I kind of, messed it up just a little bit, but not too bad. And then basically I leave the seal off, in this position, and get it mostly in there. So let's just see if I can lock the door now. Yeah, so I can lock the door with these keys and unlock it. So there's no inside lock, but so I'm gonna just take the other one here, and I got to go in with the hair dryer and warm up these seals, and then I'm gonna go over on the driver's side and replace this ugly one here with the better one. Okay, so time to go in with the hair dryer on this guy. So what I'm doing first is I'm just pulling this over top this way so that I can loosely thread the. Now hopefully I can get this to work. So this part has to feed into here. Okay, and on this one, I've got this in. The seal looks, you know, pretty good, I would say. And door closes and latches, and if I lock that like that, I can definitely lock the door now. So, you know, I'm gonna have to carry around the ignition key and the regular key. So, unless I can rekey, you know, possibly even the ignition, I could rekey to use this key, or vice versa. Then I'd have to do 2 barrels. So we'll just see. For now, I think that's good enough. I'm happy the door's closed. The handles have locks and they have seals. So that is a pretty good improvement over this with no lock and a lot of really damaged chrome. So, all right, I'm happy with that.